Most mobile app stores have paid apps in their list. Free apps are mostly funded through advertising. Others, like the games, come in free-to-play versions in in-app purchases. If for some reason the app you purchased does not meet your expectations, or you have probably misnamed and end up purchasing a different application than the one you were looking for, it is possible to request a refund. In the case of Google Play, right after you pay and download the app, you have 15 minutes to ask for a refund very easily. Go to the Google Play Store, tap the Google Play icon, then tap My Apps, select the app or game you want to return, select Get Refund. You'll get a confirmation message asking if you really want to ask for a refund from the Google Play Store for that app. Select Yes and you're done. It is not enough to remember that this action can only be carried out once per application, and that if it takes more than 15 minutes from the time of download, you will not be able to access this simple refund from the Google Play Store, and you will have to go to communicate with the developers and tell them your case and wait for them to decide to make the refund. To request a refund for apps or content you purchased from Apple, either in recent purchase from the App Store, iTunes Store, Apple Books, or other Apple services, and are eligible for a refund, you can use any device with a web browser to request a refund. Log in to report.problem.apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID and password. If you see the Report or Report a Problem button next to the item for each you want to request a refund, click on it. Follow the instructions on the page to choose the reason why you want a refund and submit the request. If the charge is pending, you still can't request a refund. Once the charge is made, try to request the refund again. If you have a pending order, you must pay for it before requesting a refund.